Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you view this show from. It's another episode on Suricall, sponsored by goldminearoma, where food always comes exciting, you know. So guys, today we're just going to do just simple recipe on how to make tomato paste. You've had fresh tomato lying down in your freezer for so long and you don't know what to do with it, or you have so much of it. Oh, come on, make a paste so that you won't need to have it and go buy it, you know. So today it's all about two ingredients. One, this is my fresh tomato. It's been lying down here for so long, so I have to do something. And I am going to add beetroot, a bit of beets, you know. Beetroot. And let me tell you guys, this root has a whole lot of health benefits, and these are some of the health benefits are the nutrient is very strong, and it is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Yes, it's an antioxidant too, and it supports health, blood pressure, and heart. Burn. No, baby. What are they talking? Okay, let me start again. Its nutrient profile is very strong. It's an antioxidant and it's a powerful anti-inflammatory too. And it even supports healthy blood pressure and heart health. Secondly, this doesn't have no preservatives at all. So, made it in your house, store it in a jar, and boom, you have your tomato paste anytime, any day. So guys, let's go through it now and quickly make it happen. So I peel this, dice it, because we're gonna blend it with the tomato, you know. Faster. Cut this face out. Okay. So that we can take out some seeds, right? Okay. Drop it in hot water. Just for the skin to peel off evenly. Look at it. Just put it inside a pot and boil it. Boil it, and easy, the skin gets peeled off easily. And throw it in the sea. Guys, for your information, 1 beetroot is okay for 5 kg of, look at this, of tomato paste, because I'm going to keep this full rest one just for me to cook it and snack on it. Let's put it on fire there. This is still on the boiling process. We're still going to allow the water to dry all the way. Guys, so just pack it and refrigerate. You just bring one each out when it's needed, you know. I hope you're not capturing that. Maybe it doesn't matter. Oh wow. So guys, we have so much tomato paste in the house now. Just boil it and snack on it. It's very good. Or you use it to eat your salad or any other thing that you want to accompany it with. Very nice. So I'm boiling mine now. Just water and the beet. That is my lunch. So guys, this is my tomato paste ready. And packed. Okay. Oh wait, don't go yet. I have not showed you my beet. Just like I told you how I put it in water and boil it. Turn on, my beet is here. Do you know what? I just put it out, store it here, so that I can snack on it. Very delicious, guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned today. Kindly share, like, subscribe, and push on the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.